Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking a few cards from three different decks, guys. What is the energy for Aquarius today? Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you just want to move away, okay? Maybe for some of you all, you may be traveling to a different place, different city, um, maybe out of your country also. Maybe for some of you all, it may just denote you're moving away from this person, from this relationship. You're feeling very anxious, sad, maybe even sleepless at nights regarding that situation. Okay, some kind of negativity associated with it. You may be feeling very bad regarding that, but something is coming to a closure, guys. You're getting, what to say, some kind of outcome. You're getting the answers for your prayers, maybe what caused these problems. You're getting to know the answers. You're getting the understanding, okay, why things happened this way. Maybe uh, you were, what to say, pushed away from this relationship, and your person is coming back to you. They want you, okay. That may also be the energy here. They may have realized their mistakes, or you are realizing your mistakes, okay, what has happened in the past. So they may be, what to say, seeing the truth, the clarity in their heart. They are just seeing what is correct, okay, and they are getting a understanding about this issue. Let me pick out a few more cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. So Aquarius, this person, they may be, what to say, they are being controlled by somebody or some habits of theirs, okay. um, they are being dominated, okay. Someone is controlling their decision, guys. That is the energy here. And maybe they are dealing with their own challenges. They have lots of challenges to be faced, and they have lots of ambitions also. That is the reason they are moving away from this relationship. And they may be addicted, they may have some addictions also. That is also the energy here, guys. Maybe that may also be the reason they don't want to be in this relationship, be committed in this relationship. Maybe for some of you all, your friends or family, someone whom you can trust is helping you to, they are counseling you and guiding you in this issue. That may also be the energy here, guys. And for some of you all, this may just mean this may just mean you need to take time to think for yourself, guys. Aquarius, that is also the energy here. So there is some kind of decision that is going to take place. Maybe your person will come to the clarity, or you may come to the clarity. So it is just the time for you to wait, guys. Time to wait for the decisions to come. Okay, that is the energy here. So some kind of what to say, completion is in the cards. So some kind of announcement is going to be here. You just need to wait. So maybe this person will get clarity. They'll realize their mistakes, and they will realize your importance, and they may come back to you. Okay, guys, or they may leave this relationship. So that may also happen. So we just have to give time to reach that clarity. So that is the energy here, Aquarius. Let me pick out one more card, guys. Let's see what's coming up from this angel guidance card. What we should do, Aquarius. Hope. So you don't have to feel sad and give up all your dreams, guys. You just need to, what to say, observe the things around you, okay, and try to change yourself even in a small way. It just brings a great change, guys. And you just have to nurture your wishes and dreams, whatever you have within your heart, okay. And when you help someone, or be with people who are helping others, okay, and when you, what to say, change yourself for something, and or someone, okay, it just gives you a sense of purpose in your life and sense of belonging in this relationship. So that way you will have a direction, guys, how to be and what to do, okay. And you will have you will know the path to reach your goals and ambitions. So all you need to do is nurture the positive energy in your heart, and do not give up in any situation. That is the energy here, Aquarius. So it is time for you to just wait. Things are going to manifest all in the right time, guys. That is the energy here, Aquarius. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye.